Hello everyone, welcome to Cynthia Montana channel. Now I'm gonna talk about Reef price prediction. So before I started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just gonna give you some prediction using a technical analysis. So the all-time high for the Reef is 0.09 US dollar here from the launch, and then now it's currently only at 0.03. Here you are. We're gonna see on the Bollinger Band here is already above the upper band on the 0.03187 US dollar. If they go down, go to the pink one side here, middle band on the 0.02312 US dollar, and the purple one 0.0143 US dollar. RSI stochastic still on the really neutral position. For the 4-hour chart, basically it's a really big volume going up already above the upper band also. If they can push it above 0.03449 US dollar, then it will try to go up until 0.035. For the moving average also is above it, above the moving average 7, 0.03010, this one. But if they go down, go to the pink one side here, moving average 25, 0.02871 US dollar here, this pink one side here, right? But the prices, if they go down until the purple one here, moving average 99, it should be like at the 0.02316 or below that point, then you have to attention on it. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment.